this fast. Goodbye to this house we thought would always last. And this is where Dad's garden grows. Summer haze, my reading place, and late night tiptoes. And I know the memories are with me, even when you move to a town that is new. Guess I tend to hold on too strong, but you're always home. You're always home to me. Up those gray steel wooden stairs, me and Jess would play pretend of time traveling, company around the table, seat by the windows where I learned piano. And I'm scared things change too quickly. The time tales from Mom sing loud in my heart. And I know I'm not alone. You're always home. You're always home to me. So we'll make room for something new. Though I'm not little anymore, I'll always need you. And I know the memories are with me, even when I've grown to a place of my own. Please remember, I'll love you forever. You're always home. You're always home to me. Are we just smaller versions of a bigger home? Are you the rivers in your veins, and I the flakes that become snow? And you might believe that everything is broken, fragments of sentences we haven't spoken, but maybe are we just jagged lines across a buried sea? Are the shapes inside a sundisk the same as the arms of trees, and saying we're a shell of what we used to be? Maybe we're smaller. Are we just smaller? And I get lost in finding comfort this time. Fractals all around us, in hopes that I have found us. There's beauty in these broken designs. Now I know there is nothing to be fixed. Are we just searching for a little highwayman? Are the lines between us just a path to a vacant past? And you still make me think of what we used to be. Maybe we're smaller. Are we just smaller? Oh, it's different now than I remember. From all the colors of September, we'd fall into that same honest day. Lately I bite more than I can swallow, and I've sealed these senses in a bottle. Then I wish we could go back that way. Hang on, darling, these memories like mending a broken room in our hands, but still out of touch. Think I've forgotten how to dream without you, a part of me, my sweet Constantine. It ain't a secret anymore since you walked through those doors. You know I struggle with being myself. Maybe this is all that matters. All the spots and slips and splatters from you to me to somebody else. Hang on, darling, these memories like painting an empty room in our hands, but still out of touch. Thought I'd forgotten how to dream without you, a part of me, my sweet Constantine. And I wonder now instead how you live inside my head. Once a figure, now a shadow on the bed. Hang on, darling, these memories, will they fill up an empty room in our hands, but still out of touch. I haven't forgotten how to dream without you, a part of me, my sweet Constantine. We took the road down past the ocean, worried for winter above. My lips brushed your smile. Our feet dance ahead for Strawberry Mountain in the sky. Forgive me if I get too tired. Thank you for making it all worth our while. For Strawberry Mountain, we're coming for you. We're making good time. We built all our tools. We sleep in the art that we make. The sound of your voice